Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you Trello shortcuts nobody uses. If you use Trello to manage your tasks, there is a good chance you are doing a lot of things too slowly. Trello actually has several keyword shortcuts that most users never use, and these shortcuts can make managing your boards much faster. Let's start with one of the most useful shortcuts. Press B on your keyboard. This instantly opens the boards menu, where you can quickly switch between your Trello boards without clicking around the screen. This is really helpful if you manage multiple projects. Next, press F. This opens the filler cards feature. From here, you can quickly filter cards by labels, members, or due dates. Instead of searching manually, this shortcut helps you find tasks much faster. Another useful shortcut is Q. When you press Q, Trello will instantly filter cards assigned only to you. This is perfect when you wanna quickly see your own tasks without distractions from other team members. Now here is a shortcut many people don't know. Press N. This lets you add a new card instantly to the current list. Instead of clicking add a card, you can just press N and start typing the card's title. This opens a list of every keyboard shortcut available in Trello, so you can learn even more ways to speed up your workflow. Using these shortcuts can save you a lot of time when managing your projects in Trello. Try them out the next time you are working on your board, and you might never go back to the slow way again. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.